Hello mga mi, tutorial muna tayo nitong cute na ref magnet na pang souvenir. Yung mga materials na ginamit ko dito mga mi, nasa basket lang or ilalagay ko na lang sa comment yung link kung saan mabibili.
Where simple things begin to bloom in quiet hands inside one room, a little twist, a gentle view. Life starts at Shanley DIY, softly bending every line, turning seconds into time, little pieces one by one, till a tiny world is done. You can feel it as it grows, in every touch the beauty shows. Let it bloom, nice and slow, watch the colors start to glow. From a wire to something true, there's a magic in the things we do. Let it bloom, you will see what your hands can really be. Every detail shining through, only here at Shanley DIY. Just one twist and you'll know how far simple things can go. Shanley DIY, made by hand. Simple things I understand. No need to rush, just let it flow. That's how every creation grows. Every piece I started slow, careful hands already know. Tiny details, step by step, in every line no regrets. And in the quiet I can see how simple things are meant to be. Made by hand, made with care, little magic everywhere. From my heart to something new, a soft creation just for you. Made by hand, soft and true.